Hi traders, and welcome to your pre-market analysis. Today, we are dissecting the Nifty 50, which closed around 25,936.20 and is poised for a decisive move. The key to our trading strategy will be the pivot point just above the current price at 25,965.40. If Nifty sustains a move above this pivot, we are immediately looking at the first resistance, R1, at 26,031. A strong gap-up opening or a quick 5-minute candle close above R1 signals a potential run toward R2 at 26,089, with a high momentum target being the 26,147 level, R3. Traders going long should keep a trailing stop loss, perhaps just below the pivot, especially after R1 is breached, to manage risk. The 26,000 psychological mark will be a battleground, so watch that area closely for early profit booking or a continuation signal. On the bearish side, if the index fails to hold the pivot and breaks below the first major support, S1, at 25,836, we will see the sellers take charge. A clean break and sustain below S1 opens the door for a quick fall to 25,778, S2. This move offers a high probability short selling opportunity, with the next critical support being 25,678, S3. Remember, S1 and S2 represent a strong consolidation zone from yesterday, so a drop through them indicates significant weakness. Our primary rule for the opening hour is, avoid trading in the narrow zone between 25,900 and 26,000. Wait for a clear move above R1 or below S1 on a 15-minute or 5-minute candle close for the best risk to reward trades. Always keep your position sizing conservative in the volatile morning session, and respect your stop loss. Let's see how the global cues play out and look for that clear signal. All the best for the day.